I'm at the door of the pee hole, looking through at these people. I don't really like nobody though, so that's why I keep my eyes closed, covering up with a blindfold, thrown up over the white hole. She throw it back, call her Marilyn Monroe. I've been counting up, I won't stop, bro. Man, when the kitchen be selling kilos, round the color, I think it's an emo. Deep in the water, come find me like Nemo. Don't see the vision, listen, tripping for a minute, making wrongs, glisten for a minute, making wrong decision. Heck, feel happy, just don't feel like winning. Take the God that I'm still living, and take my mom that I'm still giving, and take to my loved ones, my loved ones, my loved ones, never stop missing. But goddamn, my hands too shaky, can't really command the plans I'm making. So just keep it a book on a book on a book. Yeah, that show will save me. Yeah, as a lady, my demons are going crazy, speeding off doing 180, 180, 180, catching that bet like Tom Brady. I am the man, young boy, don't fuck with me. If you don't want noise, that's how it be. I keep it to a T, I'm deploy, trying to enjoy these different things, these different emotions on me. Everything make believe, especially when 40 on a kill street. Yeah, 40 don't even sleep, getting higher in the trees, been on fire one of the week, y'all. I should tire, got nothing on me, but usually don't hate for keeps, but usually it's something I hide and seek. But damn, you got my high to a new level, yeah, to a new fucking peak. To withstand, take a glance, I'm different type of man. Got one hell of a band that I know you can. Yes I can. On the drums, on the bands, I just wanna party up in the bands. I just want a pretty lady that's so call my girlfriend. Yeah, it's be okay to be alright throughout to the day, into the night. You want me to say, I say other side. Father God, I can't even lie. Got so many blessings I realize there's so much more to have in this life. So it doesn't even matter how hard I try, hard I try. It's fight or flight, so it's you decide. I'm gonna take flight, reaching the skies. I'm on a new peak, I'm reaching my grind. This is my paradise.